Okay guys, this is Prime FX and this is a trade we are just looking at on the daily time frame. And we can see price has been doing a lot lately, and it has been in a ranging phase for long, sweeping liquidity here and there. So while we went up to the daily time frame, we saw this move. Okay, I think we saw this move I just showed here, whereby a strong bullish candle engulfed the high of this candle and then broke this low. Okay, swept the low of this candle, broke the high, and retest on it. So what we're expecting at this point is to look for more buys. So this week I'm suggesting a bullish move. This week price is to continue. Today is Monday, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday will be bullish. Maybe a retracement on Friday, I think so. All to this zone here I marked out. So price is just doing what it does best. So let's move down to the lower time frame and see what price has for us. So we come down to the 1 hour time frame, and this is what we're seeing. This setup that was formed. Price broke this high. Okay, price broke this low, but in the 1 hour it swept the low. Okay, on the daily it swept the low. Price broke this low with a wick, swept the wick, broke this high, and retraced on this high. So what we'll be expecting now is a move up to this high, So after this point, we're expecting price to do something like this. Okay, it has made this low, maybe a little bit push, a retracement on this, and then something like this. But we are certain that price is actually moving bullish today, and will continue on the weekly schedule. So this is what price has been doing. It has been ranging all this for. So wanting to break this high that was formed there, we want price to break the high. It has swept the low of this high. We want it to break this high. Maybe a retracement like this will be enough. So price swept this low of this high, broke, want it to just do something like this. Then we'll be aiming to this high. Okay, something like this, a long position. If it does something like, we'll be aiming something like this, a long position. Stop loss below. We keep our stop loss this low. Now we'll be asking me, why do we keep our stop loss this low? We saw that the low was weak enough not to break the high, and it was being broken. Surely we'll be expecting a retracement there like this to break it, but that's why we want this bullish move first, then a retest of this move of the strong high that broke this low. So after that retracement, we can set our stop loss below that at the weak low, entry at the strong high, and TP at the highest high. So that's what we'll do. I think that's what we are going to use in taking this trade. But you see our TP is very, very long, while stop loss short. That's how we trade. Bro. So if you're not liked, go ahead and like this video, share for more, comment. If you have any question, I will be really, really happy to answer most of your questions. I think that's all for now. Follow for more content like this. Thanks.